Hi, it's Leonardo back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I'm working in Leonardo AI again, and today I want to try some coloring pages. And of course, I'm using a prompt guide because, again, Leonardo has a bit of a learning curve, so I always need a little bit of help when I'm trying to figure things out in Leonardo. So I had the opportunity to get another prompt guide from NeuroPix, and this one is the round Mandela coloring pages prompt guide. Um, so Mandalas are really popular in the coloring world, especially on Amazon. And I just recently put a coloring book on Amazon, but it was of African American women. So I wanted to try something different with making coloring books. So this prompt guide is perfect to try and help me. And again, their prompt guides are set up like ebooks. They have a ton of information in these prompt guides. You can see everything in the table of contents that's inside of the prompt guide. And there are a ton of prompts. There's even bonus content in here to help enhance your images that you create. So I haven't jumped into the bonus content yet, but I have done my setup because the guides um, contain things like a negative prompt. A negative prompt is the things you don't want to see in your image. And with coloring, my biggest thing with coloring is I don't really like grayscale on my coloring pages. So that would be something that you would put into your negative prompt. Um, it also tells you how to set up Leonardo, meaning the styles, the elements, different things like that that you need to choose to get the best image that you can. So all of those things are in this prompt guide. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my Leonardo, and then I'm going to grab a prompt and see what I come up with. All right, so everything is set up. I've even added the negative prompt, but it was something I wanted to show you real quick. Under elements, I had no idea that there was a coloring book element in here. I had no idea. So that's a bonus there. And again, the prompt guide actually gives you pointers on what you should and shouldn't choose when trying to do coloring pages. So that's another thing I love about this prompt guide. So I got a prompt here. I'm going to hit generate. It's going to take 4 tokens. So let's scroll down and see what we get. Wow. Wow. I love it. I love it. I love how there's clean lines in the image. Um, not a, it doesn't, not a lot of grayscale, but I don't even think that's grayscale. I just think those are double lines in the image. Um, wow. I'm blown away. I am blown away. I think this would be the perfect coloring page, for Mandela. Um, so yes, I'm pleased. um, This is going to kind of be a short video because I do want to play around with this a little bit. But as I mentioned earlier, there are a couple of pages of bonuses in this prompt guide. And the bonuses are there for you to play with different settings to enhance your images even more. So that's like an extra that has come with the prompt guide. So there are over 10 prompts in this prompt guide, so I know I'm going to have a ball just checking out the different prompts and seeing what Leonardo AI comes up with. But I am definitely pleased with the results of these two images. So let me show you the Etsy shop again. It's NeuraPix, and they have a ton of prompt guides on here. There are different coloring pages, prompt guides for Midjourney as well as Leonardo. So if you're interested in creating coloring pages and you want to check out Leonardo or Midjourney, you should definitely check out these um, prompt guides. All right. I also love the price of the prompt guides. Less than $5, you can't beat it. And I can't wait until Halloween because zombie coloring pages, that's right up my alley. Probably would need to get it before Halloween. So, you can prepare and get it out by Halloween. But yeah, this is right up my alley here, zombies. Right. So I just wanted to show you the shop again. Um, let you see the next prompt guide that I had the opportunity to test out and um, let you all see what I have been working on lately. All right. And again, here is the images. I would have never been able to do this myself. I probably would have just typed in Mandela coloring pages and got something not like this, basically. If you have any questions, place them in the comments below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. Again, I'm still learning Leonardo, and these prompt guides are really helping me to learn the things that I need to learn. And it's also giving me the confidence to actually try different things. Um, so, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.